Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Burgerville fry sauce. Hit it! Alright, well thanks a lot for joining. If this is your first time joining us, please do me a favor, go down, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make Burgerville fry sauce. So let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are. We've got a half a cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of dill relish, 1 tablespoon of sweet pickle relish, 1 1/4 teaspoon of yellow mustard, and 3/4 teaspoons of granulated sugar. Let's start mixing it up. Alright, as always, use a bowl big enough for your ingredients. We'll start with the mayonnaise, mustard, the relishes, and the sugar. We'll just whip this up. Use this up here. Alright, there we go. We're going to take some awesome photos of this for social media, put them in the timeline with some groovy music. Stay tuned. Alright, let's give this a try, see how it tastes. It's been a long time since I've been to a Burgerville. I used to live out in Oregon and Washington. They were all over the place, up and down I-5 out there. Not really remembering the flavor. It does look the same. I remember the look, but the flavor tastes like tartar sauce to me. Basically, you saw the ingredients. It basically is a tartar sauce, but it does taste very good with French fries. You get the sweetness of the sweet relish and the dill, sourness of the dill relish, and with that creamy texture, the mayonnaise and the mustard just adds a little more to the party. So this is very good. I hope you give it a try. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment, leave a like, and then share this video with everybody. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.